My name is Kyle Myers. I'm one of the project managers here. This is Ryan Lisk. He's our site superintendent. We're here arguing about the electrical plans so that we can start to purchase all the wire and the conduit for the Riverwalk. We're also here planning tomorrow's concrete pour on the cap. And you can see the trucks in the background continuing to move dirt and do site work. Also, this week we're doing our test piles for the next phase of Riverwalk, so there's a lot of equipment here on site for that today too.